In this video, you have learned how to create a beautiful sunset scene using MS Paint. So, let's start the video. Select the line from the toolbar, drag it like this. Select the fill tool and fill the area by choosing black and gray color. Go to resize, click on pixel, deselect accept ratio, make horizontal size 1, then click on OK. Again go to resize, click on pixel, deselect accept ratio, enter the same size again, then click OK. Go to select option and click on select all. Drag it like this, copy it, click on the right button and paste it. Go to rotate, select rotate 180 degree and take it below. Select the oval tool from the toolbar. Use orange color from color palette. Draw a large circle to represent the sun. Select airbrush. Fill the circle with orange color to make it glow. Select airbrush. Select orange color. Spray here like this to make the sun more realistic. Select pencil. Increase size. Select orange color. Sketch it like this so that it will represent reflection of sun in water. Select black color and drag it. Here we will create grass and his reflection in water. Select airbrush and spray in middle to make grass more realistic. Select this brush. Go to 3D colors. Change the color like this. And OK. Create mountain-like structure here. Select pencil. Change the size and create tree and birds here. By following this tutorial, you will learn how to create a beautiful sunset scene in MS Paint. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.